Hey gearheads, welcome back to BZBTV. This is Nate back here from the tech support team, and today we'll be doing another video in the Fox Den. Today we're doing a little comparison video of two of our long-range HDMI extenders. We have the BGUM44-150L kit, as well as the BGUM44-100M kit. And these are 4x4, but we also have 8x8 as well. This means that there's 4 inputs as well as 4 outputs. And since these are long-range extenders, both of these units have HDBaseT extenders as well. So if you need to extend that signal, each output on each of these matrices have the mirrored option of HDMI out or HDBaseT out, where you can send your HDMI signal over a category cable to a distance at far away. So we know there's a lot of different matrix processors out there. There's a lot of 4x4s, 8x8, 16x16s, even up to 32s. There's a lot out there for different environments. But like I mentioned, these are the long range matrix extenders. So this is really tailored for distance. Because if just in case if you're trying to set up and all your displays are not within that 30 to 50 feet distance for that HDMI cable, these units are perfect for that. If you have a distance up to 100 to 150 meters away, that you can be able to extend that over these category cables to the receivers. And so diving into these two units, we actually have them both set up here. I have 4 outputs going to the 4 TVs over here, and the 4 outputs going to some of the 4 TVs over here, just to show the difference. It kind of looks the same, but also you can see both the units, the build of them are pretty similar as well. So, but diving into the features that are the same as well. First of all, they both support 4K at 60 Hertz at 444 chroma sampling. So you're going to get that high def 4K signal pretty easily. Up to one of them goes up to 120 meters. The other one goes 100 meters at the 4K signal. Control for these units are very easy as well. They both offer the front panel buttons, the IR remotes, RS-232 if you were going that route, as well as web GUI and web interface, so you can actually log into the web interface. We actually have the login screen up there for one of them if you want to control it that way. So control is very easy. Just got to get it on your network if you're going to do the web GUI. Also, each receiver for these units, if you're extending your signal, are POC, which means power over cable, so you don't need any additional power supply. This is actually going to be powered up from the transmitter once your cable is connected. Also, on every extension port on the back of the unit connecting to the receivers, they're all supported by the HDBaseT technology. So you know you're going to get that seamless, uncompressed HDMI signal up to 18 gigabytes of video bandwidth speed. So you know you're well taken care of. The power is going to be solid. The video signal is going to be great. So you got that supported on both of these as well. Lastly, both of these units support advanced EDID management, so you know you're going to get a good handshake. You're able to kind of adjust your input to output resolution and vice versa, as well as every output supports the 4K downscaling, automatically downscale. So if you have a 4K signal but you only have a 1080p display, you can set the auto downscale to that 1080p. Those are the similarities. Now let's dive in what makes them different. Diving into the first one is our BGUM44-150L. This can go up to 150 meters over 1080p or at 120 meters at 4K. This one over here only goes up to 100 meters at 4K. So if you need a little more distance over 120 meters, this unit will do it. Also, for audio support, you can actually extract audio on the back of the unit. It has a digital coaxial out as well as analog audio out, as well as there's an audio out 3.5 millimeter extraction on the back of the receiver if you want to extract the audio from that. However, if you're looking to embed your own audio source outside of your HDMI signals, this unit would actually support that better because it has a little more options of audio embedding. But de-embedding, you're supported there as well. So just to recap, if you need more than 100 meters, this might be the option for you with the 120 meters or 150 meters, depending on your input resolution, as well as the audio options. If you don't require so many audio inputs or audio embedding, you know, this might be the unit for you. And also, as well as, you know, if you have a little stricter budget, because this one is the less expensive of the two, this might be the one that might be tailored for your needs. But diving into our second unit, the BGUM44 100 meter kit, And as I mentioned, there's a lot of similarities with the 4K at 60, the control. But some of the major differences is this one goes up to 100 meters at 4K. That one goes up to 120 at 4K, 150 meters. So if you don't need as much distance, this might be a good option for you. As well as there's a lot of audio options on here. Not only you can extract the audio from the 3.5 or the coaxial digital audio out. Also, additionally, this unit does actually support ARC, the audio return channel. So if you're looking to send that audio back from your displays, you can do that as well. That's a major option. But the major thing that I love about this unit is on the back of the receiver. This actually has 2 LAN ports on the back of the receiver, and this allows extension of your Ethernet connection. So if you plug an Ethernet connection into the back of your transmitter, you're able to extend that passively through your extender all the way to your displays, and every extender has that. So for example, if you have a TV, like if you have a smart TV and you don't want to use the Wi-Fi to get on the smart TV, you can actually use the Ethernet from your transmitter. Just go ahead. I actually have a little, I have actually set up over here, and I have it plugged in the back of the TV, and then just plug into the LAN port of the extender here, and then it's going to give me the option to configure our network connection. So that's a huge option for a lot of people at let's say if your transmitter's in the closet, but you need to run Ethernet connections and you don't want to use the Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi is not even an option, you can do that as well. There's 2 ports as well. So that allows the ability to connect a lot of devices, maybe a computer, like I said, a smart TV, or maybe a gaming station, whatever it may be. You have the option just to extend that LAN port. So that's a major feature that I know a lot of people out there are looking for. So, so there you have it. Just between our 2 long-range matrix extenders, you can see the major differences, also a lot of similarities. And so, depending on your resolution, your distance, your audio options, looking for a LAN port, you have some options here. After watching this video, if you're still not too sure about what's the best option for you, reach out to us. Our sales experts would love to discuss your needs, your budget, what can we tailor to you, what your situation looks like. We have a lot of options, and they'll get you taken care of. And if you have any questions about anything else, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'll love to hear from you. We'll get back at you as soon as we can. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified next time a video like this might come out. And as always, have a great day.